So just exit. Yeah.
Yeah. Agwan people, welcome back again to another video. So today we are going to talk about how to create a PayPal account in Jamaica. Yeah, but before we get down to that, I just want to give a big shout out to Judith at Judith Hair Care. You understand what I say? Yeah, for all of our custom hairstyle, sewing, cane row, braid, plait, rope twist, whatever it is. Just go up at 42 Clock Tower Plaza off a tree and link Judith. You see what I say? Yeah. Good girl Judith, big up yourself. Alright, so that is said. So let's get down to the video now. Alright, so okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to the Play Store and download the PayPal app. So here we go. Okay, it's right there at the top of the search, but I'm still going to go ahead and type it in. Okay, here it is. Install. Okay, so it's installing right now. Alright, here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Alright, almost completed. Done. So it's installing now. And after it's installed, we need to go to the home screen of our phone and find the PayPal app and open it. Okay, so it's installing. Still installing. Okay, so here it is. We're not going to open it here. We're going to the home screen. Okay, here's the app. There you go. Alright people, so PayPal keeps blocking my screen recording app that I use to record my screen. Yes, so I'm not able to record from my screen, so I am forced to resort to using another phone to record from my phone. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we are here at the first page. So this is the first page after we open the app. So it's saying login or sign up. Of course we don't have an account, so we cannot sign in. We cannot log in, we have to sign up. Alright, so here goes. Alright, let's get started. What's your mobile number? Alright, so I'm gonna put my number right here real quick. Alright guys, please don't call or text me, okay? Alright, so confirm your phone. If it doesn't autofill within a few seconds, please enter the code we sent to your number. Alright, so alright, there you go, it's autofilling. Alright, and the message has just popped up. Alright, so right here it's asking for a password and for an email address. So alright, so we're gonna just put in an email address real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I've added my email address and my password. So the next move would be to press next. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so set up your profile. This info needs to be accurate. Alright, so right here now, this is where it's asking for your main information. So at the top you see nationality. It already says Jamaican and there's an arrow to select. If you're not from Jamaica or maybe another Caribbean island or so, you can just click the arrow and select. So it's saying first name, middle name, surname, and identity card. Alright, so document type is above identity card, so that is the option. You get to select which identity which kind of which of these you would use. So you have identity card, you have passport, and you have driver's license. So I'll be using identity card. Yes, so you guys can use whichever. So at the part where it says identity card, it's asking for document number. Alright, so that would be your ID number. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and fill in all these information right here. Alright, so I just went ahead and clicked next from that screen just to protect my information. Alright, because there are some really crazy people out there, guys, trust me. Alright, so this part now where we're at, it's asking for your address. It's saying start typing your address. Okay, so let's get started. So I just put DE, and once I put DE, there is a lot of different places popping up. So you guys won't have a hard time finding your addresses, because I guess everywhere in Jamaica is already here. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and add that. Yeah, alright, so it is already filled out, and it's now saying Kingston St. Andrew Parish. Alright, so after that, now we need to go ahead and click that checkbox there that is at the bottom, which is saying I confirm that I have read, consent, and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy statement. So if you're interested in reading the user agreement and the privacy statement, you can always just go ahead and click that user agreement and the privacy statement that is in blue. That is a link. Alright, yes, so after that, now our next move would be to select that checkbox and then click next, click agree and create account. Alright, so this should be the last step. No, not the last step as yet, one more step I think. Okay, now we're at link add debit or credit card. Transfer money to keep your bank fast with transfer money to your bank fast with a debit card. Alright, so this is the part where you're asked to link your card. This is very sensitive information right here, so we wouldn't record this part. So for the people who do not have a card, in case you're wondering, yes, you can always go ahead and create an account without a card. You see that little thing up there that's saying skip? You can just skip that. Just click that and skip this part, and you won't have to put in a card until further on, after you have started out your banking, whatever. You understand? So in case you are wondering, not every bank in Jamaica is associated with PayPal. So you have NCB, which is a commercial bank. I think that bank is associated with PayPal, and also Scotia Bank as well. You guys can go ahead and do your researches to find out which other banks, if your bank, the bank that you have joined, is associated with PayPal. Alright, so this is the final step, and we'll be skipping this step because as I said, this is very sensitive information. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click skip. Okay, so it's loading up. Alright, and there you have it. There you have it, people. There you have it. So it's displaying your balance and some more stuff. Send and request, and it's giving you a bit of information right here. Log in fast with your fingerprint and all these things. You have the setting icon, you have another icon, you have a notification icon. Alright, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you understood what you're to do when you are going to sign up. Hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, you can leave it in the comment. If I left out anything, you can leave it in the comment as well. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you next time.